First question. Hamren is the headquarter of which one district? Answer D. West Karbi Anglong. Next question. The novel Abhijatri was written by? Answer C. Nirupama Borgohain. Next question. Which Assamese poet is also known as Dhowni Kobi? Answer B. Binanda Chandra Borua. Next question. IIT Guwahati was established in the year? Answer B. 1994. Next question. Which of the following constituency of Assam Legislative Assembly reserved for scheduled tribe? Answer A. Majuli. Next question. In which city the first CNG station of Assam is inaugurated? Answer B. Dibrugarh. Next question. Where the Annual Assam Sahitya Sabha season will be held in the year 2021? Answer B. Majuli. Next question. Sivasagar is the capital of Ahom Kingdom from 1699 to? Answer D. 1788. Next question. The Deodhani dance is associated with the worship of which goddess? Answer A. Manasa. Next question. Who established the Koch dynasty? Answer B. Viswasingha. Next question. Hima Das is also known as by the nickname of? Answer B. Dihing Express. Next question. In Assamese calendar, which month have 32 days? Answer C. Asar. Next question. The ancient Mahabhairav temple is located in which city? Answer B. Tezpur. Next question. In which year Cotton College was established? Answer B. 1901. Next question. How many maximum members are elected from Assam for Rajya Sabha? Answer B. 7. Next question. Which politician is also known as Iron Man of Assam? Answer C. Bishnura Meti. Next question. Every year, Bir Chilarai Divas is celebrated on? Answer A. 9 February. Next question. Which district of Assam shares the longest international border? Answer C. Dhubri. Next question. Which one is the largest tributary of the river Brahmaputra? Answer A. Subansiri. Next question. On 22 January 2021, which one has been formally declared as a new district of Assam? Answer B. Bajali.